Well, how y'all doing? It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good start to a new week. But over here in East Central Mississippi, I'm here to tell you it's about 75 degrees right now. It's starting to warm up, but we in for another whop of a storm. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, sure enough, thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, if these weather patterns don't lighten up, I'm just gonna have to give up. Give me a second, and I'm finna tell you about it. All right, Dan, what you going on about the weather patterns? Well, I am here to tell you, if these crazy weather patterns don't ease up just a little bit, I don't really know if I'm going to be able to plant this year. Maybe, it's a good possibility, I don't know. Finally got up here to the east side of the 40, and I actually was able to get out there and re-till my pea patch again, or my pea field again. I don't know if you can see it, I'll get a little bit closer. Yeah, I got out here real early this morning and re-tilled that joker. But the problem is we have another serious storm system that is going to be moving in on Tuesday or Wednesday. I want to say Wednesday. The interesting thing, and really the scary thing about it, is this weather system is moving in at night. Nighttime in East Central Mississippi and probably everywhere else is famous for tornadoes. It just happened, they love to come and appear at night. Old Dan's been lucky over here at the home in the sticks. Thank the good Lord that I haven't had any major problems over here. I've had a few down trees, some tin that popped up on a few things because of the high winds, but nothing major. So I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that really closely. And another big problem with the storm system that's moving in is it's gonna take another week, 2 weeks, for maybe possibly even 3 weeks, depending on how much rain we get, for that pea field to actually dry up and allow me to get back in there with the rototiller and till it up again. I was kind of hoping I'd be able to get some more treflan out there, the weed prohibitor, to actually keep the weeds down when I go to planting, but I don't even know if I'm going to be able to plant this year. I guess we're just going to have to see what the weather does. But enough of that. I actually got a bunch of work done over here at the home in the sticks over the weekend. Of course, Possum Butt was here, Jamie was here, so we got quite a few things done. I'm gonna show you what we planted out. Well, matter of fact, let's go look and I'll show you. Take a look at that goodness that we have growing out here. We actually put in 3 more fruit trees out here on this terrace that we're not gonna plant in the bins, but got 3 more fruit trees in. Got 2 more apples and a Texas ever-bearing fig. I actually got out here and mulched every one of these trees as well. Try to keep as much water in the ground and the root system as possible, because it's gonna get sure enough hot over here in East Central Mississippi. But I'm using cypress mulch around all of these trees. So that was a big thing that we got done. Another thing that I got accomplished is, and I don't know if I showed it, I don't know if I've showed it, but I actually had 2 big old huge wood chip piles right here in this area, right yonder. And what I did was started doing some clearing. I hooked up to the box blade, used a tractor, and I pushed all of that stuff over. Lo and behold, almost 95% of those wood chips have broken down. So this is looking like some really good soil. I'm gonna get with Jamie and maybe we may plant something here. I don't know. That's some showing off good soil right there. So I hate to see that go to waste. Might even get out here. I got to get me another wheelbarrow, but I might even get out here and get me a couple of scoops of this stuff in a wheelbarrow and maybe try to plant something in it. So another big thing that I accomplished, I knocked this whole thing down, and it was kind of really unattractive looking, had weeds growing all over the place. It was just awful. But I got this leveled off. Y'all 2 need to go get a job. Cash? Rosie? Another thing that we took care of over the weekend is, look at there. We got the ferns replanted the way that they're supposed to be, not sitting up real high in the soil. Got those planted in some, whatever these are called, decorative planter basket things. And I got some petunias, got those in the same thing. We got those replanted and hanging on some chain in a row. Looking mighty slick, Rick, I must say. Yeah, got pretty that petunia is. So yeah, we replanted the ferns and we replanted some petunias. The one thing that I did wrong on my endeavor to repot a fern was I put too much soil in the bottom of that plant over yonder, which made the fern sit real high, thus exposing the roots. So I actually, before Jamie got here, I actually pulled one down, or the only one, well, yeah, pulled the one that I repotted down and repotted it using less soil. Worked out really good. And then we took care of the rest. Another thing that I actually got accomplished over the weekend and today, finally got my pepper starts in some soil so they could sure enough grow. Got some habaneros, some Tabascos, and some cayennes. Y'all know I like to make my own hot sauce, so hopefully we'll get some peppers going. But I got that done too. Got this planter right here filled with peppers. Dan, you sure do have a bunch of them in there. That'd be all right. I'll pull them out if they grow too big, or I like the condensing everything, and yeah. Onion sets are still looking good. Chives are looking good. Yeah, I don't know what those are. Those look good too. And another cool thing, Rose of Sharon started budding again. That's nice. Sometime this week or next weekend, I'm gonna repot this Rose of Sharon. It needs more room to grow. But that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Got a bunch of stuff done over the weekend. Got some more fruit trees in the ground. I plan on maybe putting out another 3 or 4. Who knows, we'll see. I'm pretty excited. Well, I'm pretty interested and excited to see how those fruit trees grow over there in that pasture over there. So we're just gonna, if they grow, I guess we'll add some more. I also walked around the property and checked on all the other trees that Jamie and I put in the ground, and possum butt put in the ground. Those are still living. Nothing's died yet, thank the good Lord. And of course, we got all those dang plants and ferns repotted. They're hanging, looking mighty good. And I also got my pepper starts in the ground. That was a show enough mouthful. So had a lot going on this weekend and got a lot accomplished, show enough. So again, hope everybody's having a show enough good start to the week, and I hope everybody stays safe amid this crisis that we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home Sticks channel, Lord of mercy. Y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff, like planting stuff. That being said, you know it's coming. Dan reference, show enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody do your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, get your grow on, put your hands in the dirt. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.